The Water Dancer. Hiram Walker, born into slavery, discovers he has a mysterious power tied to water and memory. He joins the Underground Railroad, seeking freedom and to reunite with his family. The Water Dancer explores moral and philosophical themes through the character of Hiram Walker, a young enslaved man. The story explores memory, identity, and the struggle for freedom, highlighting the dehumanization of slavery and the importance of agency and resilience. Family relationship and sacrifices are also themes of this story, presenting freedom as journey of self-discovery. The Water Dancer is a compelling exploration of memory, power, and resilience during the era of slavery that happened during the pre-Civil War, which is part of their history. The story begins with Hiram Walker, a young enslaved man with a mysterious power tied to memory and water. Also, the story focuses on broken families. Hiram struggles with the loss of his mother and the complicated relationship with his father. The Water Dancer encourages readers or us to think critically about history's impact on identity, the legacy of slavery, and the resilience of memory, love, and fight for freedom.